everyone, welcome to our virtual tour, and today I will show you Sacrifice Valley Barangay. This is located in Hermosa Central kasi boundary ito. Ito ang pinaka-landmark ng area pero nasa taas ka kasi niyan. And before we get started, I'd like to get everyone oriented. So baba muna tayo from the highway. Very scenic ang pagbaba dito at pagpunta kasi surrounded by trees. Even this map is from April 2024 pero walang masyadong pinagbago ang papasok. Ito yung kanyang, yan. Ito yung pinaka-favorite part ko dito sa lugar na to kasi para kang paakyat ng Baguio na parang paakyat ka ng retreat place. Very serene, very quiet. Ang lugar, as you can see, wala talagang tao. Ganyan din talaga siya. Any time of the day ka pumunta, umaga, hapon, tanghali, gabi, ganyan lang siya. So, baba muna tayo sandali so that you can see how it is from the highway. So, paakyat siya. Itong section na to talagang parang ang feeling mo papunta ka sa retreat at magpapahinga ka muna. So, ito yung pinaka-arco nila. Nakalagay dito si Welcome to Sacrifice Valley. So, meron silang malawak na bridge dyan. At ito yung kanilang tunnel. This is Esitex. So, malapit na yan sa SBMA. And ito yung tunnel. Baba muna tayo dyan. Ayan. So, ito ka na. Kay Sacrifice Valley. Balik tayo ulit sa loob. Makikita niyo yung very scenic at ito ang kanilang symbol. So, if you can see the changes, Dinalupihan Central Luzon na yon yung daan kasi is Dinalupihan. Pero ito, from here, mag-iiba yan because it's already Hermosa, Bataan. So, I love Sacrifice Valley. Yan, akyat tayo ulit. Before, itong gate na to is open, so may access na kaagad yung mga residents dito. Pero, hindi na nila to inaalaw so that they can really monitor the ins and outs of people. That's one of their safety precautions, I think. So, dito na tayo ulit sa taas. My favorite part, yung mahogany line. Malamig na dyan kasi elevated sila. So, dito na nagsisimula yung mga structure ng bahay. Magaganda ang cut ng properties dito sa Sacrifice Valley, especially dun sa residential sections nila. So, ang properties natin na pupuntahan ay this way. So, this again is their church. And then, may commercial space sila dyan sa right side. Ang property natin is 750 square meter, which is the usual cut dito, lalo na sa mga residential sections. Pababa ito, pero fully cemented, kaya wala kang problema. This one is available. But we'll focus on the best properties here. So, meron tayong dalawang property dito sa baba. We'll go right here. Kanan na kaagad tayo dito. Meron tayong fully furnished property na 3.8 million lang ang asking ng owner. Before, it was really less pricey. Dalawa ang owner ng property, so dalawa ang pipirma sa deed of sale. So this is the property for sale. Malaki to, 750 square meters. As you can see, ang kanilang daan is 4 meters with a provision for sidewalk on both sides. Ito yung katapat niyang property. Malawak din ang frontahe. And iyon ang ating bahay na for sale. I will give you a house tour sa loob. Kasi nasa US ang may-ari and they just wanted to market the property. That's why we're showing this now. So this is fully furnished inside. Maganda ang provisions ng bahay. Matibay ang pagkakagawa. Intact pa siya sa loob at kasama ang gamit kapag binenta. Second best property here in Sacrifice Valley is this exact property right here. Katabing-katabi niya to, so meron ka ng wall dito. Ngayon, sementado na to. So, hindi lang pala siya makapupuntahan ni Google Map ngayon dahil putol na yung daan. But this is the exact property. Yan siya. So, kung gaano kalawak tong bahay na to, ganun din kalawak ito. So, it's a corner lot kasi on this section, merong right of way dyan. At itong daan na to is papunta na ng Olongapo. So, meron ng access dyan palabas. So, this is our property right here. Hindi siya masyadong view but I have a separate pictures and videos that I will post here as soon as possible. We're just into a few editing for that one. Pero itong property na to, wala ka nang itatambak. Fence na ang kalahati, so nakamenos ka na. Ito na ang linya ng kuryente. Actually, ang linya ng kuryente hanggang doon, wala din silang problema sa tubig sa area na to. Kasi may ilog dyan. Hindi siya bumabaha, never, dahil nakita nyo naman, elevated siya. So, ito yung mga kapitbahay mo dyan. Very peaceful, loving. May buyer na to actually, but the owner is still asking to market it kasi ang nag-commit is American who will come back in October 2026. So, gusto niya pa rin i-offer. So, whoever comes first, uunahan na lang natin. So, ito ang area. And, pakiantabayanan po yung ating full video niyan. So, balikan lang natin itong other property natin for sale. If you're looking for something that's already built at titirahan nyo na lang or pwede nyo nang paupahan or kung anong plano nyo, this is 750 square property na pwede nyong bilihin. So that's all for today. Thank you for touring Sacrifice Valley with us. Ayan na, Hermosa, Central Luzon na siya. Ang maganda din dito, ang pinaka-highlight ng property dito sa Sacrifice Valley is that pakita ko lang sa inyo sandali. Nandito ang development township ni First. So, on this section, tapat na tapat mismo ng property na to is First na yan. So, I will also show that in the other videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!